Are you tired of spending a fortune on health insurance? We feel your pain. But don't fret, because we've got some incredible tricks up our sleeves that will help you save big on your health insurance premiums. So grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take notes. First and foremost, it's crucial to shop around and compare different health insurance providers. Prices can vary significantly between companies, so make sure to do your homework and see who offers the best deal for your needs. Don't forget to also check out the independent insurance brokers who can help you find the best deals that cater to your specific requirements. Another trick to save money on health insurance is to consider a higher deductible plan. While this might mean paying more out of pocket when you need medical care, it can significantly lower your monthly premiums. Just make sure you have enough savings set aside to cover that deductible in case of an emergency. In addition, many health insurance providers offer wellness programs that can help you save money. These programs often offer incentives for healthy behaviors such as exercising regularly, quitting smoking, or participating in routine checkups. By taking advantage of these programs, you not only improve your overall health but also reduce your insurance costs. It's a win-win situation. Another nifty trick to save on health insurance is to bundle your policies. Many insurers offer discounts when you bundle your health insurance with other types of coverage, such as auto or home insurance. So, take a look at your current policies and see if you can streamline your insurance needs while pocketing some extra savings. Additionally, don't forget to explore government-subsidized programs or tax credits. Depending on your income and circumstances, you may be eligible for assistance that can significantly lower your health insurance costs. It's worth checking out and could make a world of difference in your budget. And last but not least, make sure to stay informed about changes in the health insurance landscape. Policies and regulations can change, and prices can fluctuate, so staying up to date will help you make informed decisions about your coverage. Before we wrap up, we want to express our gratitude for your time and attention. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we offer more insightful tips and tricks on various topics. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tricks help you save big on your health insurance premiums.